Hey everyone, welcome to How to Experts. In this video, I will show you how to upload to Soundboard on Discord. First, open Discord from your Google Chrome. Now, from the top left of the screen, press on your name server. Now press on Server Options. Now click on Soundboard. Now press on Upload a Sound. From the File option, press on Browse or you can drag the file name from your taskbar. Now choose the file from your local hard drive that you want to insert. For example, we have inserted no evidence of disease. It will show you a preview of the file. Now click on Sound Name option. Here I will copy the file name for easier use. Now press on Upload. You can also choose related emoji. For example, I will choose the name disease. Here I have chosen the perfect smiley. From the top option, you can drag the duration of the clip. Now press Upload. And that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.